Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Here we are going to discuss about pump and its types. Now, pump. Pump is a hydraulic device which converts mechanical energy into hydraulic energy. It provides energy to a fluid in a fluid system, and it tends to apply pressure on fluid to increase its kinetic energy. So the whole concept is that it is a hydraulic device which converts mechanical energy into hydraulic energy by providing some mechanical force uh, which increases its kinetic energy. Okay, so here the second point is what is the difference between pump and turbine. Now, pump, there is a lot of difference between pump and turbine, as pump is a hydraulic device which convert mechanical energy into hydraulic energy, while the turbine is a hydraulic device. It is also a hydraulic device which convert hydraulic energy into mechanical energy. Okay, now the second part is of pump is in pump flow takes place from lower pressure towards higher pressure, while in turbine flow takes place from higher pressure towards lower pressure. Now, classification of pumps. Pumps is generally classified into rotordynamics and positive displacement pump. Thus, pump is generally classified into rotordynamic and positive displacement pump. Rotordynamic pump. It is a type of pump in which the increase in the energy level is due to the combination of centrifugal energy, pressure energy, and kinetic energy. That is, all the three factors are responsible for the for increase in energy level. Whereas positive displacement pump, it is a pump in which the expanding cavity on suction side and the decreasing cavity on discharge side. That is, as we know that there are two type of sides in a pump. First side is suction side, from which the liquid is being sucked, and the second side is discharge side, from which the liquid is discharged. So in positive displacement pump, the expanding suction side is quite expandable, and while the discharge side is has decreased cavity. And in this type of pump, liquids are mechanically forced out of pump. In this pump, liquids are generally forced by mechanical force out of pump. And now we if you talk about rotordynamic pump, there are many types of pumps such as centrifugal pump, propeller, and turbine. While in positive displacement pump, there are reciprocating pump and rotatory pump, whereas reciprocating pump can be in single acting while and double acting. Now moves towards centrifugal pump. In this type of pump, energy takes place from mechanical to hydraulic energy through centrifugal force. That is, the centrifugal force play an important role in this type of pump. In centrifugal pump, it's a low cost pump and mostly used pump. It's generally used in domestic purpose, for purpose in industries, and widely used at many places. If we see the design and parts of centrifugal pump, then we can see that there is a strainer at the lower side of the pump. Along the foot valve, there is a strainer, and the liquid is sucked from suction pipe towards the casing or impeller, which is covered by the outer coverage known as casing. And from impeller, it is then rotates and moves towards delivery pipe and delivered to the overhead tank. Now it is connected to the shaft with the electric motor, which rotates the impeller, and the procedure of pump starts. Now, if we move about reciprocating pump, then we can see that it is a high pressure pump which is used for some specific purpose, and it is a positive displacement pump in which certain volume of liquid is collected in enclosed volume and discharged using very high pressure. Now, if we move towards the design and parts of reciprocating pump, we can see that water flow through suction pipe towards suction valve, and from there it moves to a cylinder, and after that it moves through a delivery valve to a delivery pipe, and then it discharges. Now, it is the whole concept of pump and its type. I know that it's a very few basic knowledge about pump.